Welcome again to another episode of New Hampshire Aquaponics. My trout have grown a lot. However, I have had some issues with temperature. The air temperature is in the low 80s, and the water temperature is not much lower. Today I recorded probably the peak temperature of the season, 79.5 degrees Fahrenheit. That seems incredibly high for rainbow trout, and it is. You should definitely stop feeding them at that point, although I am going to drop some food in just to illustrate that they will still try to feed at that temperature. Water that's next to the container is almost in the mid 80s, and this is well water. This actually comes out at 52 degrees Fahrenheit, although here it's showing at 59. Thankfully, my well water is very low temperature, so I'm able to use it to lower the temperature in the aquaponics system. I will usually remove 200 gallons from the sump tank and then add back 200 gallons of well water, which is at 52 degrees Fahrenheit, directly into the fish tank so that that new cold water can mix with the warm water. Even here, you can see the fish. While it seems like they're feeding aggressively, and they are to some extent, they do leave a lot of the food on the surface. This was only to illustrate that even at 79.5 degrees Fahrenheit, almost 80 degrees, they'll still feed aggressively. However, I would not feed them beyond 71 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll show you another video where the water temperature is quite lower and they are feeding even more aggressively. Thank you again for watching another episode of New Hampshire Aquaponics.